So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is JB23 vlog. So for today's video guys, I would like to share on how to install the ball bearing to a horizontal shaft of a certain Mitsubishi self-ejector purifier. The model of this purifier guys is SJ20. So as you can see guys, we overhaul the purifier, and this is the in every 8,000 hours we have to overhaul the purifier, the horizontal shaft and the vertical shaft. As you can see guys, we heat it up, the bearing, we install it to the horizontal shaft. We use hydraulic oil to heat it up guys, and as you can see, this is the bushing. In this video guys, it's already shown the bushing. So together with the bearing, the bushing must be heated up so that we can easily install. We are using pipe here guys, just to make sure that the bearing and the bushing and the horizontal shaft must meet end to end point. This is the most important part guys when you are installing bearing to the purifier. It should be facing to end point guys, otherwise it will give you problem if there is gap in between. So just install it not more than you have to heat it up not more than 100 degrees guys. As you can see, it is easily going when you are installing the ball bearing. We just use a pipe here guys, just to make sure that this bearing is seated properly. So as you can see, we put the bushing on the other side, otherwise it will move when we hammer on the other side. So this is the bushing also, we heat it up to 100 degrees so that we can easily install it guys. So in this type of bushing, there is a cutter pin just to make sure that it will not move, so it will make end to end also with the clutch, the friction pulley guys, and the friction pulley is friction boost and the motor. So this is the connection guys. So in my other video guys, I will show you on how to install the ball bearing and the roller bearing of the vertical shaft. So this is the spiral gear guys, as you can see. There is a wear of the spiral gear guys. So very important is to check and to measure its teeth, the backlash. There is a clearance guys when measuring this, and visually you can check it if the spiral gear has some wear, so that we have to replace. So in this case guys, we have wear that is very visible, and if you have spare, then we change. It's very important guys, this spiral gear to be taken care of properly. So this is horizontal shaft assembly guys, and this is the vertical shaft. This has to be overhauled, and we have to change also bearings. So in my other video guys, I will show you on how to replace bearing on this. So as you can see, these are our purifier guys. We are making a periodic maintenance. It's a preventive maintenance guys. So it is very important to follow all this PMS. So until here guys, I hope you learned something about this video guys, and see you in my upcoming videos. This is JB23 vlog. Thank you for watching. Stay safe everyone. Bye bye.